Welcome back. We're going to look at S3, which is finding the slope from 2 points. I told you that this was coming in S2, so let's jump right in. We have find the slope of the line that passes through points 3, 10, and 8, 8. So we have 3, 10, which is x1, y1, and then we have 8, 8, which is x2, y2, and again, there's no magic. 3, 10 is only x1, y1 because we wrote it first. 8, 8 is only x2, y2 because we wrote it second. And again, we're told to simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction, improper fraction, or integer. So we have our slope is equal to the change in y's over the change in x's. And I want to bring up a point. Sometimes it's hard to remember to do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You could also do this as y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. The answers will be the same. What you have to remember is whichever way you start, continue that way. And I'll go ahead and show that to you. In the first one, I'm going to do 8 minus 10 as my y's. 8 minus 10. And then that's going to be divided by 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 10 is negative 2. 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So our slope would be a negative slope. In other words, if we were to graph this, the line would go down this way, like an airplane landing. Now, go ahead and look at this one. I'm going to do it the opposite way this time. I'm going to take 10 and subtract 8. And then I'm going to take 3 and subtract 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Now, if any portion of a fraction is negative, that makes the whole thing negative. So here, in the first way, we had negative 2 over 5. The second way we did it, we had 2 over negative 5. They both have the same value. So the slope for this question is negative 2 over 5. Let's do one more. So this time we have find the slope of the line that passes through point 19, which we're going to name as x1, y1, and 10, 5, which we're going to name as x2, y2. And I've got my slope formula, which is the change in y divided by the change in x. And so I'm going to do 5 minus 9 over 10 minus 1. Well, 5 minus 9 is negative 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. So our slope would be negative 4 over 9. All right. So that's how you find the slope of a line from 2 points. Go forth and do math.